Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. The Four Seasons range from Lina Nail Art is one of my favourite ranges, and I purchased my Lina stamping plates from Nail Artisan UK. And with it being spring, Four Seasons Spring 02 is just the plate to have for your manis. You can find all the information in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please also like this video. These really help out my channel. Thank you. I'm going to use my favourite scraper and my Born Pretty dual white and clear stamper, and I'll be using the clear head. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going for this image here from the middle section. And I'll be using the green nail tip for this swatch, and I'm going to use black stamping polish. Any excess I'm going to remove with my lint roller. I think I maybe should have used a lighter colour, but I do quite like the grungy look this has. For my second swatch I'm going to use a white nail tip, and I'm also going to be using a purple and green stamping polish. There is one layered image and it's right at the top. I'll first off start with the purple, and I have to say I really like just the flower heads on its own, but it works really well with both of the colours and it's really pretty for spring. For my third swatch I'm going to show you how I created one of my photo swatches. I'll be using a yellow nail tip, and I'm going to be using orange and red for this swatch. I'm going to use this image here, and I'm going to mix the colours together. I'll just lay down dabs of the colours, and because I'm using a red, I'm only adding a little bit of that colour. I want more of the orange. When scraping, I only do 2 scrapes. The more scrapes you do, the more the colours merge together, and I find that you can sometimes end up with a muddy puddle looking colour, which is really not what I'm going for. For the fourth swatch I'll be using a pink nail tip, and I'm going to use my favourite dark purple for this swatch. And I'm using this image here. I have all of the Four Seasons stamping plate from Lina, and you can find them in my Lina playlist. If you're looking for seasonal plates, this has to be the range. I highly recommend it. They are amazing plates. For my fifth swatch I'll be using a dark red nail tip along with a pearl white stamping polish, and I'll be using this image. I love this colour combo. It's not very spring though, but personally I would wear it any time of the year. And then here they are all together. I think my favourite out of these has to be the yellow. It's very bright, it's very spring summery. Yeah, I love that one. So let's move on to the photo swatches. Four Seasons Spring 02 has 25 large designs, of which one of them, as you have seen, is layered. And then there is also 14 smaller images down the centre. It is mainly floral inspired designs, but there is also some patterned images as well. I personally love Lina stamping plates. They pack each plate absolutely full of amazing designs that you really can't go wrong with. These images are just stunning. You could even use Spring 02 for some summer floral manis too. But the one thing that I do want to do is use 01 and 02 together for a mani. That's another thing I love about the Four Seasons range. The spring plates will work so well together, as well with the summer plates will work well together, the autumn ones, the winter ones and the Christmas ones too. I'll leave a link in the description box for Spring 01 as well. I will however say though, that video is almost a year old and my videos have changed since then. If you love florals, then this is definitely the plate for you. There's quite a few swatches that I would love to turn into manis. If there's ever a stamping polish from these swatches that you would like to know what they are, I can pretty much tell what I've used just from looking at the picture. So just leave a comment below and I will more than likely be able to tell you what it is I've used. I really like the mix of size images. The small designs will work really well with the larger ones. And it will just give your mani a really pretty look as well. My swatches from both the live and the photo swatches will be over on my Instagram in the next few days if you want a closer look. There is a link in the description box for you. Onto my mani, and I took inspiration from one of the swatches which I just loved. And I've used 3 different images for this mani. And I thought that they worked really well together. I also love the teal and the pearl white. It's a colour combo that I've never done on myself before, but I have to say I absolutely love this mani, and that colour combo I will definitely be doing again. So make sure you check out Lina Nail Art and Nail Artisan's Instagram pages. There are also links for them in the description box as well, and there is loads of inspiration from these 2 pages. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art 4 Seasons Spring 02. I really hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you guys. Hit that subscribe button and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on Instagram at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.